Nowadays, English is more important for our life. If we want to get good job in life, we have to speak English. And this doesn't come in easy way. You have to keep patience for learning English. So guys, you know that this is the summer season, but today the weather is cloudy and the wind is also blowing very fast. Actually, guys, today I am coming to tell you how can I learn English. Guys, actually, a small girl who lived in Qatar came one day at my home, and he doesn't speak in Hindi. He speak English. So that thing hit my mind and my heart. I am a teacher of English, but I am not able to speak English fluently. We can say that we don't know the a word of English, how to speak in front of any person. So that day I got inspiration from that old young child. He hit my the way he is talking, that is my heart, and inspired me to speak this language. And from that day I decided that I will also speak English. And now I am doing practice. I am not fluent in this language, but I try to speak this language. This language is very important for everyone. So welcome back on my YouTube channel once again, and I am Afi Yadav, and today I am going to tell you, if you want to speak English, then you have to practice, and practice make a man perfect. You know these lines. Practice make a man perfect, and speaking comes by the speaking. If you want to learn this language, you have to speak. Without speaking, you can't express your feeling in English in front of anyone. Now the question is how can we speak English? Firstly, we have to prepare some word power, and we should come how to know tenses. So if you know tenses, try to speak little and little. Slowly and slowly you will able to speak this language one day. And if you want to speak this beautiful language, then you have to prepare your daily routine in three tenses: present, past and future. And you will try to speak your daily routine in English. If you speak English, then one day you will achieve your goal to speak this beautiful language. And I also try to speak this language. I am not fluent, but the day is not so far when I am able to speak fluently, because I am working. Keep patience. If you are try to speak English, you have to keep patience with because English, you cannot learn this language only for one day. It takes time, and you have to keep patience for it. And as I told you, if you want to start speaking, then you have to write your daily routine in three tenses: present, past and future, and try to speak this. You can record your video like me. And if you are not able to speak much better, then only record and delete, and try to search your mistake, and after that in another video you can improve that lines. So guys, I feel you will try to speak English, and you are working on your speaking. Keep on your speaking. You will be able to speak English one day, because There is no shortcut of success. If you want to get success, you will have to keep patience and do hard work. Okay, thanks for watching.